guys feel a shake there on the ground at all? Star Trek 246, did you feel anything on the ground? Looks like we had an earthquake. The tower shook pretty good. Star Trek 140, contact Chicago, have a good night.
140, see ya.
Star Trek 246, turn left heading 200, runway 2 left, clear for takeoff. Star Trek 155, sorry about that, taxi 2 left, whiskey. 2 left, yeah, it shook us pretty bad up here. Yeah, I mean, the tower shook real bad. We were scared. We were almost evacuated. Yeah, it's not something that happens in Illinois usually. Strange. You better. Star Trek 246 heading 200, contact departure, see you later.
Star Trek 246, 200, Nova departure, airport, still in one piece. Good luck, I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Good night. Fox Plus, hold short 2 left, one more departure. Check 105, turn left heading 200, runway 2 left, clear for takeoff. Star Trek 105, contact departure, have a good night, see you later.
105 to departure, good night.
Fox 12, turnarounds on runway 2 left at Golf, approved. That's all, Roger. Fox 21, 10 to 8 full length. Fox 21, 2 maintenance. Fox 6, proceed to maintenance. Via Echo, Echo 9er. Yeah, sort of. What was 4.3 on the Richter? And how far was it from DeKalb? Oh, okay, cool. And 20. Fox 6 better.